In this video we gonna see that interfacing of a buzzer with ESP8266 microcontroller. So we are also having a potentiometer in it. We are going to use it for a single buzzer on and off. This is the entire code what you seeing here. So we gonna upload this entire sketch code into ESP8266 microcontroller. So wait for some time. The entire code is uploaded. You may see the output now.